Funtool, an interactive graphing calculator in MATLAB that manipulates functions of a single variable. By typing Funtool in the command window of the MATLAB, three figures will appear: figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. Figure 1 will display the curve of the function f of x, and figure 2 will display the curve of the function g of x. Figure 3 uh, displaying four editable text areas for the function f of x, g of x, domain x, and the parameter 1 by 2. Right now, the figure 1 is displaying the function f equals to x, figure 2 displaying the function curve g equals to 1, and x is the domain from minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi, and a is the parameter 1 by 2. At any time, there are two functions f of x and g of x are available and displayed. Replacing f with a new function x plus 5 and g with x minus x square minus 3, x square minus 3, domain, defining domain equals to minus 2 to 5, and parameter a is nil. Now you can see figure 1 is now displaying the curve of the function x plus 5. Figure 2 is displaying the curve of the function x square minus 3 for the domain minus 2 to 5. Now the available control buttons in figure 3, you can see row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. Using the control button of the row 3, which are f plus g, addition of the two function f of x and g of x, f minus g, second button in third row is the subtraction of f of x and g of x, f into g, product of f and g of x, f by g, division of f and g of x, f of g where x is replaced by g of x, g equals to f, g is replaced by f, and swap. Both functions are interchanged. By clicking the swap control button, you can see f is replaced by x square minus 3 and g is replaced by x plus 5. Now figure 1 is showing x square minus 3 curve and figure 2 is showing x plus 5 curve. Again, clicking the swap button, figure 1 is not displaying the x plus 5 and figure 2 is displaying the x square minus 3. Finding f plus g, addition of f of x and g of x. The result is shown in the area f of x. Addition of the fourth function is shown in the area f of x. By clicking f added with g, you can see f of x is replaced by a new function x square plus x plus 2, which is the addition of the two function x plus 5, x square minus 3. Figure 1 is now displaying the curve of the function x square plus x plus 2 for the domain minus 2 to 5. Finding f minus g, subtraction of f of x and g of x, clicking the control button f minus g, you can see again f is replaced by a new function which is the subtraction of f of g and g of x, x plus 5 is the new result, and figure 1 is displaying the curve of the function again x plus 5. Now f into g, f area is replaced by a new function which is the product of x plus 5 into x square minus 3, and figure 1 is the graph of the function f of x for the domain minus 2 to 5. Again, division operation is performed by the control button f by g, and f is replaced by x plus 5, and the figure 1 is now displaying the curve of the x plus 5. Now, in case of f of g, in case of f of g, the x variable is replaced by the function g of x. F of x is x plus 5. In case of f of g, x is replaced by g of x. To see the new function, click the f of g control button. X square plus 2 is the new function, and figure 1 is replaced by the curve of the function x square plus 2. G equals to f. G is replaced by the function f of x. Now define a new function f of x equals to x power 4 minus 4 into x cube plus 10, x4 minus 4x cube plus 10, and g equals to nil. Nil operation, and domain remains the same, minus 2 to 5. Now g is nil and figure 2 is unable to plot expression because no expression is defined in the editable area of the g of x. Figure 1 is showing the graph of the function x4 minus 4x cube plus 10 for the closed interval minus 2 to 5. Now finding the derivative by using the control button in the row 1 df by dx, f is replaced by the derivative of the function x4 minus 4x cube plus 10, and the derivative of the function is 4x cube minus 12x square, 4x cube minus 12x square, and the domain is minus 2, 5. Figure 1 is displaying the curve of the function 4x cube minus 12x square. So you can see symbolically this tool will calculate the derivative of the function defined in a single variable form. Now again defining a new function, a sinusoidal function sin x sin of x, and domain for this function is from minus 2 pi to positive 2 pi. Function is sin of x, and the graph is displayed in figure 1 for the interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Derivative of sin x equals to cos x. Figure 1 is replaced by the derivative of sin x cos x, and the graph is from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Now integral of the function f cos x, integral of the function cos x equals to sin x. You can see by clicking the control button integral f int f, f is replaced by the integral of the cos x, which is sin x, and again the interval domain is minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Here define again a new function in a quotient form, x plus 2 divided by x plus 3, x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. You have to find the denominator of this function. You can use the control button den f. It will return the denominator of the function. Again writing x plus 2 divided by x plus 3, and using the control button num in the first row, it will return the numerator of the function. 1 by f will return f equals to 1 by x plus 2. Again 1 by f equals to x plus 2, And if you want to find the inverse of the given function x plus 2, you can use the button f inverse. It will return the f inverse. First row of the control button will give you derivative, integral, numerator of the function, denominator of the function, 1 by f and f inverse form. Now writing a new function x square plus 2 into x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1. Finding simple form of this function, clicking the control button simple f. Simple f will return the a plus b whole square form. A square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square. Now define again a new function, and we will use in this function the second row of the figure 3 control button f of x plus a, f of x minus a, f of x into a, f by a, f power a, and f of x plus a and f of x into a. Again define x power 4 minus 4 into x cube plus 10, and taking the parameter a equals to 2. Now what is f of x plus a? Adding f of a with the parameter a. Second row, first control button, you can see x4 minus 4x cube plus 10, which is the function f of x, added with the parameter a2. You will get x4 minus 4x cube plus 12. Now f minus a, again the function which is defined as before, x4 minus 4x cube plus 10. So for this f of x minus a, you will get x4 minus 4x cube plus 10. Now f of x into a, multiplying the parameter a with the function f of x, f into a, 2x4 minus 8x cube plus 20, and dividing this function with the parameter a, 2 f by a, the fourth control button in the second row, will return f of x x4 minus 4x cube plus 10. F power a, the fifth control button, will return f power a, the symbolic representation of f raised to power a. And f of x plus a will replace the x variable with the new factor x plus a. X plus a. This will give you x plus 2 power 4 minus 4 x plus 2 cube plus 10 whole. And f of x into a, this will return a new function which is 2x plus 2a, means x is replaced by x into a. X is replaced by 2 into x, where a equals to 2. 2x plus 2 power 4 minus 4 into 2x plus 2 cube plus 10 whole square. The Funtool, graphical calculator that use symbolic representation of functions and find different representation like derivative, integral, addition of two functions, subtraction of two functions, etc.